Hari Om. Welcome to Aniruddha's Creative Learners. Today we will learn the process of exporting documents in Vectoring app 4.0.4. So, where are the export options? Tap on this. Here, export options are there. Export in SVG form. In this export option, you can export this document as it is. Means the shapes, the text, everything will be exported in the SVG form, which you can email to yourself, and then you can open it from Adobe Illustrator, which I have tried and successfully I have tried. So we can edit the document from the Adobe Illustrator from your laptop also. So this is export to SVG form. This is the another export option. It is export in PNG or JPG form. If there is a transparency in image, PNG form can be used. File type. Then there are two options. One is save option, which is recently added, with which you can save this particular document in your gallery. And share option, you can directly share this image in your groups, okay, through Telegram, WhatsApp, or whatever social media. This option is view box. Here there are three options: document, selection, and crop. So when you select this document and click on this save option, this complete document artboard. So which area? This much area will get saved. This document will get saved. Document. So this particular part which is outside this rectangle will not get saved. Okay. Selection. In this selection, you can select a particular area and that much area will get saved. So if I have selected this and I click on save option, we can see that this much area has got selected. So this much area we had selected. The crop option is similar to it. You have to select a particular area and that much area will get cropped and it will get saved. So let us see. See, this much area got cropped and it got saved. Okay, so we saw document, selection and crop option, save option. Now we can see dimensions. Here you have this particular feature. See final bit. It is the method to increase the intensity, the pixels of your document. How to export the document in HD form. So here if you put more than 1080, so this 1080 will multiply to the original document pixel. So the pixels proportion will remain same and it will get exported in HD format. So this dimensions. Okay, few people want to export. So here we have seen file type, view box, dimensions. Okay, earlier there was a feature in this export only to change the background, to make the background. Okay, let us see what is the I- okay. Earlier there was a feature in this particular export option in which you could change the background, but now to change the background you have different options. You go to the document and you have this particular panel with which you can change the background. See, if I have selected this particular background, then my document will get saved. Export PNG, let's try JPG, save. Okay, let's see that. Now the image has got saved in this manner. The background is changed. Similarly, you can make your background transparent. Let us see. Tap over here, documents, and then drag this particular option to this last end. So this is the transparency panel. So you have reduced transparency to 0. So it is 100% transparent, this background only. Now we will try to export this. Export. Now we will make it PNG and then save. So let us see now. See, this is now PNG. The background only has become transparent. So today we have learned how to change the color of background, how to make your background transparent, and how to export the document in JPG, PNG as well as SVG format. Thank you for visiting Aniruddha's Creative Learners. To know more about Vector Ink app, please subscribe the channel and click the bell icon. Thank you. Hari Om Shri Ram Ambadnya.